Welcome to our channel. Thank you for following us. We hope you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we are sharing a delicious and easy sweet recipe with you. In a bowl, mix room temperature butter with powdered sugar until you get a smooth and homogeneous mixture. Add the eggs one by one and continue mixing until the eggs are fully incorporated into the mixture. Then, add baking powder and mix again. Gradually add the flour while continuing to knead until you get a firm dough. Divide the dough into 2 parts. Take 1 part and add cocoa powder to get chocolate-flavored black dough. Let the dough rest for a while, then start shaping the sweets as desired. In the shaping stage, make small balls from the white and black dough. Arrange them alternately, white then black, and try to combine them to get a roll that looks like marbled cookies. Use your hands to combine and roll the dough until you get marbled sweets in this shape. Complete shaping the dough until you finish all types of dough. You can also create different shapes or use molds. Once finished, arrange the sweets on the tray, leaving space between each piece, and bake them in the oven at 170 degrees for 15 minutes. You will get beautifully simple marbled sweets as you see here. Don't forget to like and share the video. For the second shape, make small balls in white and black and try to get the same first shape. But here, we use 2 white balls and 2 black balls. In this shape, make a large white ball and place a black one in the center using a mammal mold. Press it to give shapes like what we see. You can use other molds to create different shapes, and the decoration can be according to your preference. Bake them in the oven, and once they are done, they appear beautifully and wonderfully. If you like these shapes, don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you. For successful sweets, always make sure to use high-quality ingredients and follow the measurements accurately to ensure perfect results. Ensure to mix the ingredients well to get a homogeneous texture. Don't rush the kneading process, and allow the dough to rest sufficiently for the best result. Monitor the oven temperature and preheat it to ensure the sweets bake evenly and perfectly. Finally, remember that patience and attention to detail are key to making delicious and beautiful sweets. We hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions and share your experience with the recipe. To ensure successful sweets, we always use high-quality ingredients and follow the steps accurately. Thank you. Thank you for your support and presence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to receive all our new recipes.